Kung 100% duty cycle, that means it's a continuous ultrasound, or ilalagay ko siya sa 20%, which would be the pulse. Okay? Or tinanong sa inyo, hindi ba pwede ibang percentage? Actually, pwede. But the studies that have been gathered kung pulse ultrasound, they usually have beneficial effects proven at 20%. So, kung yun na lang naman yung na-prove nila, huwag na kayo magmagaling na iba pang percentage. Diba? So, 20%. Okay. Now, after that, pagkatapos yung ma-set kung saan kayo, continuous or pulse, then you set the time. Pagka na-set nyo na yung time, saka nyo i-set yung intensity. So, during your, most of the time, your treatment would be 5 minutes. Now, I know there is an equation given in the book, yung area to be treated over 1.5 or 1 or 0.8 times ERA. But most of the time, kasi hindi available yung information what the ERA is. So, pagka tinanong na lang kayo, sabihin nyo na lang na most of the time, 5 minutes na ginagamit sa clinic. Okay? I'll give you just a table of some conditions requiring the ranges of time. Kasi 4 to 6, iba 4 minutes lang, gano'n. I'll just give you the table. Okay? So anyway, after that, again, you can just tell the instructor kung itong ginamit nyo, kunwari low back, we can set up to 1.5 watts per centimeter square. Okay? Intensity. So, 5 minutes later. Tapos yan, yan. Tapos na, sa telephone. Okay? Now, this is your Sonopulse machine. So, ay, hindi ko alam kung ano.